In this video, we show you Rudolf Steiner's health exercise Bending R. First, we practice the consonant R. Rudolf Steiner describes the R as turning itself, rolling, which is also in the breath, which actually rolls when the R is pronounced. He goes on to say, the R will be complete only if you try to move your body calmly but energetically and beautifully up and down while making the R movement, slightly bending your knees, moving your head up and down. You can find a detailed explanation of the consonant R in our video. The link is below in the description. In this health exercise, simultaneously with the R, we bend and stretch the upper body forwards and backwards. Rudolf Steiner said about this health exercise, "A particularly effective movement is this. Bend the trunk with the R, stretching forwards and backwards, at the same time accompanied by the R movement. Bend forwards, bend backwards with the R, and do this very often in succession. This has a very good effect on the whole rhythmic system, on the breathing and circulation rhythm. So, if there are any irregularities there, it works extremely well under all circumstances."